So doing this granite, filling all these little tiny holes, chip, polish and seal. So I'm just gonna use a resin, hardener, dye, and fill this. So I had to work fast, build it, and now I'm gonna hone it, or basically sand it, just to make it as smooth as possible. Then use steel wool for countertop polishing. Yeah, I mean, it looks way better, this part, than, I mean, it's hard to see in the video, but yeah, it just pops. Okay, we're done. It's all polished. We tried to fill as much as we could without removing these. They didn't want to remove it, but yeah, it feels smooth. Chip has been filled, so that's pretty good actually.